Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do cPanel email DNS settings. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to do. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to update your DNS records like a pro. So first things first, you just have to log in to your cPanel's dashboard. Alright, now scroll down until you find the section called Domains. When you're there, go ahead and click on the Zone Editor. Now, on the Zone Editor page, you'll see a list of your domain names. Just look for the one you want to work with. Once you spot your domain, simply hit the Manage button next to it. Alright, once you're on the Zone Records page, you'll see an option that says Add Record. And if you want to add something specific like an A record, CNAME or MX, just click on the little drop down next to the Add Record button and choose the type you need. Now, once you fill all the details for your new record, you're pretty much done. Just hit Save Record. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.